Good morning. Welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Wednesday, Whiskey Wednesday. And after I made yesterday's video, not knowing what Tuesday was, I remembered it was Taco Tuesday. Oops. All right. Senior moment. Well, yeah, sure. Okay. All right. So last night I ended up not cooking. That's why there's no videos, nothing. So I just got really busy. I got on about a 5-hour phone call to Oregon, talking about a film project, and things just dominoed. I was actually in a text conversation with a film project here locally, yada, 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 setting up interviews and rescheduling interviews. I've got a lot going on in my life right now. So, and some of that will come to head, and you'll learn all about it, in the next, week or so. So tonight I will be doing the Bourbon Elk steak tips with smashed potatoes and the corn sauté. So stay tuned. So what's on your menu for Whiskey Wednesday? Got any whiskey? So have a great day. It's raining here. My Kiko, my Siamese, is a little angry because she can't go out, or we won't let her out because it's raining. She's curled up on the bed in a tight little ball, taking a nap. So she's over it. So have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.